Well, hey there, folks. Long time no see. What can I say? Been a hell of a 2 months for us. But we're here, and I'm going to start working on the F-150. This is the bodywork. This is the tailgate of the original one. What I have on there now is from a junkyard from another one. So this is what I have. There, show them. Down here too. Look, show them. All the rust. I remember a long time ago I did a video on it. I cut this part out just to see what was in here. Now I see. Now I'm going to start start putting it. It's rusted. So got myself a piece of metal. Put it like that, up against it. But either way, I'm still cutting this out, this top part, because there's just two going here and over here. There you go. And down here's not that bad, but as long as I'm here, as they said, there's a hole here. Do it once. So I don't feel like doing it again. This piece of metal I got since this what do you call? This pandemic virus, whatever you want to call it. I was looking for the right word. Everything is just skyrocketed, and they're using it as an excuse to, I guess, drive up the price. I don't know. I'm no financial wizard. If I was, I wouldn't be in the situation I am now. Broke. But use what you got, right? That's what my father always said.
And this metal that we got came from...
Any guesses? Any guesses? You'll never guess. So I'm going to tell you. This is my old washing machine. Right here. I still have the rest of it. The base of it. The sides and the front. And this, I already had a crease already in it, so hey, I'm working to my advantage. You know what I'm saying, folks? So, work with what you got. Why should I go spend money and make everybody else rich, and I get poorer and poorer? Yeah. So, I'm putting it here like this, getting as close as I possibly can. Well, let me try to get this up here again. Alright.
If you guys are looking for sheet metal, go out and find an old washer, an old dryer that's out in the trash. Grab it, take the metal off of it. Save yourself some time and some money.
Let's see if that worked out. Hey, it did work out. How about that? So let's see. Now, my question is, do I put it this way? Or do I cut this and put it this way, which already has the fold on top? Yes. See that? But then again, what can I say? I'm cheap. Very cheap.
I agree 100%.
You want toys? Yeah. Remember, folks, I don't know if you can still remember way back, because I can. You used clothespins as a submarine in the bathtub. Yep. Ooh. A new toy. Let's see if it works. Yeah. All right, where am I going to put this so I can cut it? Yeah. Look how cheap they make it now. Look at that.
Yeah.
You know it's going to split. Okay. Stand back a little bit. Watch your ears. Cut this. Not mais. Getting in my face, getting in my mouth. Alright. I'm going to put it down at this end. Why? Either I'm getting old, my hands are shaky, well this I know is shaky.
What was the last option?
This a little.
Huh.
I know I got a clamp. I know I have other ones, but I don't feel like spending half a day looking for them. Because pan around. Show them this beautiful, clean workspace I got. Unbelievable.
Too much stuff cluttered all around.
Too much. Mucho. Oh well. Ain't getting done by complaining.
Yo, how about that?
Huh? What's what? Oh, that's a clamp.
I'm saying, can you use that on that to hold it down?
Oh, go get it. Alright, finish cutting it. Thick metal. Okay. Now, I'm trying to debate whether I should get this way.
Or
cut this out, put it this way. Okay.
Or option B.
Or option B.
Yeah.
Oh. Or option B is this way. If I do it this way, I'm still going to have to cut this out because look. See how big a hole here?
Yeah.
And here. But if I do it this way.
So if you guys think that what we ought to do with this metal and where we should put it, leave it in the comments down below. And
nobody comments my stuff. I have the most boringest channel on the internet. I'm sorry, on YouTube. Well, then again, on everything else too. So, you watch it, you watch it. You learn something, you learn something. But I tell you what, now, I am no professional, nor do I claim to be a professional. What I am is my way, like Frank Sinatra did it my way, and I rather do it my way, knowing or thinking by myself that it has been done right. Because I've seen a lot of people, especially the roofers, not to criticize all the roofers, but I know there's a good majority of them. Oh yeah, no problem. We'll go up there, we'll take care of this, we'll take care of that. Okay. You're an older person. Your already ladder broke and you busted your right knee on it. You're gonna climb up that ladder up to your roof to go take a look to see if they did it the right way? No, you're just gonna take their word for it. And they take advantage of you. So, I'd rather do it my way. By myself. And besides, I'm learning as I'm going along. There you go. That was a fart can. I don't know why everybody does that. I have no idea why anybody does that. Why? I really don't.
I thought that was just backfire from an engine.
Unbelievable. Again, why'd they do it?
Upgraded mufflers to fart cans.
Performance mufflers. Performance muffler. No, they're not. All they do is make noise.
Huh?
That's about 2 inches. Oh. Okay, what if I just cut it above it? Aha. Cut it above it. There we go. That's what I'm going to do. Why? Why not? There we go. This way I cut, when I make my cut, I'm above this curve.
Yeah.
I can keep the curve there. And then when I weld it, I can grind it into a curve again. So that's what I do. That's me, folks. El Cheapo. What I'm going to do also, when I when I bring more metal, because this time I forgot to bring the metal. This one part here, let me back up a little bit. This part here, the edge, I bring the other part on top. Put it on top like that. Of course, I'm not going to use this metal because too much of a gap here. But that's what I'm going to do with the other one. Put it on there. Either get some rust inhibitor or just, you know, cut this out, because I can put this on here just like that, one shot all the way across. But like I said, not this piece. There's too much of a gap. Okay, all my battery's dying, so I'll turn it back on when it's charged. Oh, go get it. Because